think I'm lost. Guys, I don't know where I am. Lost forever in the lava. Iceland, land of fire and ice. Dream of every rider. Let me take you with me as I make that dream come true and ride my own motorcycle around Iceland. Let's go! Mývatn region in the northeast of Iceland totally stole my heart. This is my third day here exploring this volcanic region. Oh god. And after exploring its red volcanic area, coming straight out of another planet, crossing mountain passes, riding through geothermal station and volcanic lands all the way up to a volcano, I of course had to stop at their famous hot spring shower for a little challenge. Okay, this is probably the worst idea ever, but I have to do it. Before heading to the next area. Riding through dark lava fields in those lunar landscapes, challenging my off-road skills slaloming in between sheeps. It's super hot. Today is my last day here, and I'm planning on more volcanic exploration. I want to ride around Mývatn Lake itself and go on some crazy hikes in the middle of the lava. Let's go! Here, everything is lava. Even my hostel is built literally on a lava field. And nature slowly claims its rights and grows back in every crack it can find. Ends up being always the places that are not on the map that are the best. Like, this is the point that was on the map to do a little walk and visit, and this is the surrounding. And the place I stopped before was absolutely not on the map. It's just like a little parking or photo spot or whatever, and it was so beautiful. Like, I 10 times preferred what I've seen 5 minutes ago than this here that is all full of fences and cars and yeah. But still, let's go for a little walk. Of course, they're not allowed here. So I'm not sure if it's the way in or out. Maybe I'm doing it reverse. Let's see. Oh, there are people doing bird watching. There are a lot of birds. Also, I guess I have to pay the parking somewhere, as usual. The things you visit, like the hikes and places, The entrance is free. There is like no fences, no payment, nothing. But you have to pay for the parking. So you pay by car or by bike or something. And here I haven't seen any sign or price. I'll check when I go out. Oh, look at the light and these clouds. It's just so beautiful. I actually like a cloudy day way more than a fully blue sky day. And the sun is completely out. Incredible. This one is nice. I'm really over there. There's an idea. I just realized I was filming everything in Zoom. So you might not have seen that much of the landscape I was expecting to show you. Here we are again. Okay, the little hike all the way up is worth it. It's really nice. Okay, so I was looking at the weather forecast and it's really bad again for tomorrow, like rain bad. So I feel like I should push and visit as many things as I can today, because it's all like landscape stuff. So if it's raining, you just don't see anything. I mean, today is amazing. So yeah, I'm considering just kinda go through a bit fast everything. I still have kind of 5 points to visit. That's maybe a bit too much. One is a waterfall, 2 waterfalls together. That's gonna be, yeah, another hike. Let's try it, because if tomorrow is gonna be super cloudy and bad again, then I'm gonna miss it. Also, tomorrow I'm supposed to leave and ride to the next destination, and I wanted to camp. So again, I'm choosing all the rainy days to camp. Let's see how it looks, but yeah. Let's have a quick snack and let's go to the next destination. Here we are. It's quite busy here today, and it's Tuesday, so I guess the high season is really kicking in. I think I'm again walking reverse, but I don't know, I just saw those formations there and felt like that's the place I want to go. But everybody's going the opposite direction. Let's see. I almost regret I'm not staying one more day, because I feel like it would be really nice to come here in hiking shoes and walk it and explore a bit more. Now it's really cold and I'm a little bit in a rush, not too much, but I need to get to the other side of the island in 7 days. A friend is coming to visit me. But after that, I actually prolonged my trip. I asked the ferry company to change my ticket for 2 weeks later, and there was a spot left, so I am staying in Iceland 1.5 months. Not sure which one is mine. I guess this one. And I feel like most of the places need a second visit, and most of the best pictures have been taken after hours or even days visiting a place. So I mean, Iceland is definitely a place I'm going to come back again in a few years for sure. Also, on the way back, I will have my new lens. It's a zoom, so yeah, it's going to change a lot of experience for me. Oh, nice. cute. Not sure what it is for, but that's cute. I decided I need a more zoom lens. Mine is absolutely perfect when it comes to light and I love it. But I changed my camera and that lens doesn't completely fit anymore with it. So yeah, I decided it was time to try another one. So I'm gonna get one that is wide angle and zoom at 28 400mm, so I can actually do details and wildlife photography at the same time as landscape. So I think I'm still on the smallest loop because it was saying 980 meters, so that's not even a kilometer. So that must be like a 2-minute walk, kinda. So I'm surprised I'm alone. So people are actually more lazy than me and they don't even come to do the small loop. Where is everyone? This is really nice, and you can tell it's really old lava because there is so much growing on it already. I'm gonna check how many million of years this lava is. It's definitely way older than the one that was in front of the hotel. Like even trees are growing already. This is incredible. The crater I rode yesterday erupted 2,500 years ago. A massive steam explosion shaped the perfect cone you see today. Then, around 2,170 years ago, the younger Laxa eruption changed everything and created the lake Mývatn. Oh, another cave. Sweet. The same eruption formed this place, where I'm walking now. Crazy. Lava flow over wetland, steam exploded through it, and strange lava towers and caves were born from it. The land around it is old, weathered, slowly covered with moss and low vegetation again. Beautiful. And I love how Icelandic people made the touristic areas kind of not feel touristy. It's just a parking and then you go walk, very minimum fences or explanation. You still feel like in the nature, not like many other places on Earth where you come for a waterfall and you feel like you're in an attraction park or something. Here it's really just this minimalistic vibe that is so much appreciated in nature. I found the people. The little people. Just realized I did the wrong loop. I wanted to do just the blue one. I'm here. So now I have to do the big loop. I mean the big. There is much bigger, but yeah. I don't regret. Look at that. That's a nice view. Really not practical with a motorbike gear, but it's a really nice view. Okay, let's go back down and find my way out of here and to the next spot. I am sweating, but I'm so happy it's not raining. They were saying it would be way worse than that, so really nice. So now I'm really not sure which way I'm supposed to take. I guess this one. Left would be there. Let's try. Or get lost forever in the lava. Alright, I have to try this. Maybe it's a view to the little cave thingy that I just went to. It's really not practical. Where's the motorbike boots? Okay, that's nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. I dream of hiking shoes right now. Guys, I don't know where I am. I don't know if I took the right way or not. Where am I? You are here. Yeah, cool. No point. But yeah, 260. So I took the right way apparently. Imagine if we could ride this with the motorbike. Wow, that would be such an epic feeling. I think I'm lost. Just saw the parking indication going the other way with a bigger number, so I think I took the wrong turn. I have no idea where I am. Nothing. Okay. I don't know where the parking is. I'm lost. Fuck. Oh, I'm lost. Yeah, now it says 350 and it was 260. So I took the wrong turn somewhere there. I need to find a better way to do the hikes without all the gear. This is raw. The building. I found my way back. Yeah, this is just too uncomfortable and exhausting because I will be up to do the big loop and visit everything, but not with all the gear. Guys, I am sweating. This is so uncomfortable. I really need to find a better system. This is so uncomfortable. This is not it. I don't know. Stay more time in the same place, leave the stuff at the hotel and just come with hiking gear on the bike, something like that, because oh, this is horrible. Now I have to ride in the cold with all my body wet. Yeah, not great, not great. But yeah, let's go. Pause the video and take a screenshot of this screen. These are all my favorite spots in Mývatn you should absolutely visit. And don't forget to ride all around the lake. The view is absolutely stunning. And now let's ride home and prepare a good sandwich for tomorrow because the real adventure is about to start. I'm gonna try to camp. The weather is not gonna be on my side. Oh my god, it's full of life. I think I'm a bit. But the ride is gonna be so epic and worth it. And I love that. See you in the next one.